Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Chad for you here again at Holiday Motors in Portsmouth, Virginia. Right now I want to show you this 2015 Volkswagen Passat TDI that we just recently traded in. The car runs and drives absolutely perfect, has a brand new inspection sticker on it, cold AC, super clean interior, and of course, as you can see, it does have some body damage. This is where the previous owner got bumped and pushed into a guardrail, and it wiped out the entire side of it. The doors, not so much damage as the front and rear fenders here. And we've decided to try and sell it like this and save somebody some money that's just looking for some really good transportation that gets excellent fuel economy. And this is the TDI. This is the diesel that is the super popular, great performance history on these vehicles. And this car, of 2015 with only 116 on it, about to turn 117,000 miles. But I've just seen that tire pressure light. We'll get that checked out. We just put two brand new front tires on it. It's got two really good tires on the back of it. The leather, as you can see, in great shape. It does have a power sunroof. It does have dual automatic climate control. It's currently 96 degrees outside and this air is blowing very cold. When the weather does change, it does have heated seats, driver and passenger controls again, and then you got your auxiliary inputs and your power. Steering wheel stereo controls, cruise control, and everything works perfectly on it. Nothing has been affected by the physical damage to it. All the doors open properly like they're supposed to. All the buttons and features on the inside work of it. It's just a matter of some physical damage on the exterior. This car has a retail value over $11,000. And we've got it listed for, I believe, right at 9. But a great running and driving car. 42 miles to the gallon on the interstate, and it actually gets 30 miles per gallon around town. So great fuel economy on this thing. But anyway, we've got it for you here at Holiday Motors, 3203 Victory Boulevard in Portsmouth, Virginia. Been right here since 1974. Online at holidaymotors.com, and always top dollar for your trades. So if you've got a trade in, you're looking to upgrade on something a little bit better on fuel, that runs and drives great, something a little bit newer, then we've got it here for you. We can help you out with that. So give us a call today. We appreciate you watching as always and look forward to hearing from you.